Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a worn out old pair of tweezers. Basically rejuvenate them. Pretty much everyone has tweezers laying around their house. They're great for getting splinters out. Remove a stray hair, get it out. So after years of use, they tend to not really work as well. The ends here, they need to be parallel, perfectly parallel, to work very well. So this little hack here is pretty simple. You pick yourself up some of this wet dry sandpaper. I start off with a 500 and then I go to 1,000. If you don't have this, you don't feel like buying it, and you have an emery board laying around, you can use this in a pinch. So let me show you how to do it. Start up with the 500. The higher the number, the finer it is. So the 1,000 is twice as fine as the 500. And then you can go backwards to 400, 320, 220. So we'll start off with the 500 because this pair, believe it or not, is about 25 years old. Made in America, stainless steel. And I've been taking care of them for all those years, and it probably lasts me the rest of my lifetime. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the sandpaper like that. Put some pressure on it. Not so much that you can't move it, but just enough that when you pull it out, you see that line there. Hopefully you can see that line. Do this a few times. You want to do it the same amount of times on both sides. So we got 3 times there, if you can see those. Hopefully it shows up in the camera. And then flip it over and give it another 3 shots on this side. What you're looking for is that line to be perfect. The perfect width of the tweezers. That means it's making full contact. So that's 3 on that one, each side. Come over to the 1,000. Do the same thing. Now, when you can see those lines perfectly flat, you know that you have a very, very good edge on your tweezers, and they're going to work like brand new. Well, there you go. That's me doing stuff. Thanks for watching.